Hi, today I'm going to do a short wig review of Belle Tress Calabasas. This color is Milkshake Blonde Rooted. Now, I want you to know I'm filming this in natural light. I have a bank of windows here. I have one small ring light around my telephone, and I just have overhead lighting. So I don't have any box lights, any studio lights. I want to show you this in natural lighting. Look at this color, first of all. Light sandy brown, highlighted with light ash blonde, and it has some platinum in it as well. And it's all on this medium brown root. I think this is such a beautiful, beautiful color. This cap, open wefted. It has a left monopart extended lace front. Closed ear tabs, of course. Extended felt nape with Velcro adjusters. Part of the City collection, of course. Heat-friendly fibers. How pretty that is. Longer style. Let's try it on. Now you can see already, I have taken this up this much. It's a little large on me. Some of the City collection, I have found a little variance in fit, in my personal opinion, with the City and the Luxe collection. Some fit me perfectly, some fit larger. So I have found there is a little variation there. But this is such a nice longer style if you're looking for something a little longer. The sides of this are 10 to 14 inches. It has a nape of 6 to 7, and it weighs 4.9 ounces, they say. I don't feel like it weighs that much, but that is what Belle Tress has listed as the weight on this. Like I said, a little longer bob style. Look how pretty this color is. Lots of movement, low density. Just so pretty. I'm going to show you this lace front. Like we said, extended lace front. It comes all the way down here. Good coverage here and here. I just think this color is such a beautiful blonde. Now, again, heat-friendly fibers. You know you're going to have to apply heat to these at some point, especially these longer styles that rub on your collar, rub on your clothing. You will have to eventually apply some heat. Make sure you're using the right heat temperature. You can find that out from the manufacturer's website, or be sure you can reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. By the way, I purchased this wig from Wig Studio One, but support@wigstudio1.com. They'll be happy to help you with the correct temperature. You just want to make sure you're using the correct temperatures when you're working with these heat-friendly fibers. But let me show you up close this color. Like I said, it's highlighted, has a little platinum, a lot of ash, which I love. That works well with my skin tone. I like an ashy shade. Milkshake Blonde Rooted. Low density. Like I said, this one fit me large. You could see how much I took it up. You could also put this in a low ponytail really easily. It's enough room for that. But it's nice to have a few of these longer styles in your wig closet, I think. I enjoy that. You can pull this back off your face, wear it completely off. It's just a really nice style. If you enjoyed this video, please follow along and let me know if you like these short reviews here, and I'll see you next time.